Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of ChatGPT highlights. So let's go to the ChatGPT first. Log into your ChatGPT with ID and password. Then I'm writing here anything like this one. Write a letter for my friend. So I'm gonna copy this now. Now I'm going to Word, Microsoft Word, choosing blank document. Now you have to right click and find the paste here. If you cannot find the paste, you'll find the paste here. You have to click on paste and make sure that you are using the just use the merge formatting when you paste a thing in document. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.